Hey everybody, welcome back to the old Swedes farm. It's a nice chilly Minnesota fall day. I've got some friends coming over. We're having a big dinner tonight, so I'm gonna put them to work first. They volunteered actually to help. What I want along here is 2 lines of pine. And as you can see, I've got some other trees in here that are just scrappy and nasty. So we're doing a little project. Take out some of the big nasties that are in here and hanging over. We're gonna drop them on the road quick, then cut them up fast before we hold up traffic, and see if we can, not interrupt things, but just throw it into the median here, or throw it into the side, the little ditch here. So, and at the same time, try to not drop one on my beautiful little tree that I planted. So, that's kind of the future. But first we're gonna knock down some trees today. So, thought I'd take you along for the ride here, see what we can do. Last time I think I showed you my chainsawing. I dropped a big tree right on one of my pines and stripped it down. So my friends have a lot more chainsaw experience than I do, so let's see. But it's like 20 degrees out, 15-mile-an-hour wind. We're gonna be bundled up. All right, come along for the ride, everybody.
So here we are, our final tree we're gonna try and bring down. And we got Paul back there.
Got my helpers.
So we'll see where this goes. We've already taken down 3 small ones. You can see we've got a bunch of stuff already piled up. Alright, see where this goes. Here we come. Nice.
You missed it, baby. Good job.
And now here comes the cleanup crew. Clean that up and get it out of the way.
Well, I've got good friends. Uh-oh, I'm hearing them howling in the background and something just dropped. We got down about, let me see if you can, hopefully you can see that, about 5 trees. Totally cleaned it all back here to just to the pine. There are so many grapevines, buckthorn. We dropped some stuff and did not knock out the, let me see. Just got some big piles of wood now, so, and a bunch of brush. We're gonna be having some fires during the winter, but the boys are still cutting in back. I think what I'm gonna do is see what progress we make. We got turkey dinner going in the oven, and tomorrow I'll come back and kind of summarize and show the damage or show the success. Hey everybody, welcome back. Well, it's Monday. A couple days after the big event. I can just say that I've got some great friends. We had Friendsgiving, so a big old turkey dinner, the whole Thanksgiving thing. But they volunteered and were nice enough to help cut down a bunch of trees. So got all sorts of trees up front. Got a big one that was leaning over towards the garage and all. Got that done. Hopefully you can see. This is just one of 3 piles of wood. I just stacked it out here to have a little bit of a windbreak this winter if we have a fire out. So as you can see, all the way to the front, I don't know if you can see the big stack of wood way in the front. There's still a lot of trees to cut down. So I'd like to have a big formal fire pit area up there. I'd like to have some turkeys, maybe have room for a couple of pigs. This area here, I'll back up a little bit, is the orchard area. So we're finally getting that kind of cleaned out. But there's still all this stuff that's laying down, and a big tree here that we took down last year that I need to, it's just a monster, so I need to get that cleaned up. Anyways, a successful project, and it made a dent. It made a dent. Winter's here, it looks like, unfortunately, and now there's just a bunch that I can cut down. So anyways, hope you enjoyed it. Travel along with us here, cutting some wood down, and a lot of hands make for some light work. I really appreciate my friends doing this, and the turkey dinner was incredible. So anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you're having a great week. Take care.